Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of widget problem on the application of Duolingo. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Duolingo and you will enter. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Duolingo. And then here, if you find updates, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.